Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Shop Tip Tuesday, the second one. Alright, today we're going to talk a little bit more about storage and some of the stuff that I do to help me out around the shop. I think I've mentioned this a couple of times now, but the way that my garage is, I have a drive-through garage. So I have a door in the front that raises, you can pull in, and this door that you're looking at now is our back garage. Just raise that up and pull right out. But we don't use this back garage, so one of the things I wanted to talk about today was a tip that I use to how to add additional storage to your garage door if you don't use it. Alright, so this is a closer look at the panels that I have hanging on the door. Basically just close enough to a 1/2 inch sheet of OSB. I took some pallet wood and cut one side of a French cleat. Because if you look at the back side of where each pieces of the garage door meet, it's almost like perfect for a French cleat. So these sheets, I think that I actually got these from work, but these sheets I think are about 4x4, and those 4 foot by 4 foot sheets, and those fit absolutely perfect in between each of the garage door railings. So each of these 4x4 sheets that I've cut fit perfect into this slot of the garage door. One of the things I use it for, because we don't use the garage door that much, but I was thinking even if you do, like, they're so easy to take on and put off. So I've got, you can see here, just like some random screw storage. What I want to do is make this panel into maybe like my air tool storage section. I've got some jigs hanging over here, and this used to be my old wood storage before I made my wood storage rack that I made a video about a couple weeks ago. My current wood storage is a system that I made to hold on garage doors. But it's just an easy solution to a simple problem. I don't have another wall. Now, is this going to be as good as a wall? No, but I've had them up for a while and they held all my wood and it was pretty good. I mean, it was pretty strong. So, I mean, they're easy to take on and take off. Just a simple piece of pallet wood for the French cleat, piece of OSB. Slide them in there and they're good to go. I went ahead and painted these just to make them look a little different, make them look a little cooler, I guess. But other than that, I mean, that's it, guys. Really easy. Just put a French cleat on the back of some OSB, cut it to size, and you've got panels that you can screw different type of shelving units in. Like I said, I use mine for a wood rack, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this Shop Tip Tuesday. Maybe it helps you, maybe it doesn't, maybe you enjoyed it anyway. It does add a little additional storage to your garage. If you did like it, please feel free to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the channel. I upload one Shop Tip Tuesday every week, and I upload regular videos every 2 weeks. And as always, take it easy. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time to check out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did, stick around. Be sure to click that circle subscribe button on the left hand side and check out these other 2 videos over here to the right. I think you'll get some enjoyment out of those as well. Also, be sure to check out the full build article at drayswoodshop.com. There'll be a link in the description. And as always, take it easy. Thanks guys.